Have you ever watched the sunlight in the morning come seeping through the blind and reflect off specks of dust as they're falling? Have you ever watched them spinning, dancing, whirling before your eyes, their tiny fate unfurling? I was born and I grew up. I met a girl and fell in love. I went mad and took some drugs. I found God and I woke up. And now I can't seem to see what the difference is between a whirling, dancing speck of dust and me. It seems important matters are at hand. Apparently I will soon become a man. I'll do my best to be the best I can before my little castle turns to sand. And I'm thankful I've these people by my side. And I'm thankful that I'm here and that I'm alive. And I'll take all of these lessons in my stride. 'Cause if life is the question, love is why. Oh, I said I was born and I grew up. I met a girl and fell in love. Whoa, I went mad and took some drugs. I found God and I woke up. And now I can't seem to see any difference between a whirling, dancing speck of dust and me. And I might wish that I could turn back time and put right whatever I did wrong. But my love, it's over now, and all these things are said and done. So if one day my dreams will come to pass, and if one day into the void I am cast, 'cause me included nothing lasts, I'll go with a whisper to the nothingness, my sweet love. I said I was born and I grew up. I met a girl and fell in love. Whoa, I went mad and took some drugs. I found God and I woke up. Woo-hoo.